Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyan of Python. In the previous session we have covered how to install Flask in PyCharm IDE. So today in this session we will start how to create a own web page in Python PyCharm IDE. Okay, so let's get started guys. First of all we need to install package called Flask. From Flask import Flask. F is capital. Okay. From Flask import Flask. Okay, then we have to write an instance of our web application, that is app equals to Flask open bracket then underscore name. Okay, so this is a instance of our web application. Then after that, to run this code, whatever code we will write in this, to run this code we need to write underscore name, then double equals to, then single inverted, then underscore main, then underscore, then semicolon, then app dot run. Okay, this is the command to run this entire code what we will write in this. Okay, then in our web application, what are the pages in that, so that we need to define here. So we will define that code here. Def will write home page. My first page is the home page. Okay, then if you know this user defined function, I have covered one lecture in this user defined function. Please go and check there so that you will get a better idea how this user defined function will work. So we will define one function over here, that is home. Okay, then what I want to return in our home page, that let's say I will write welcome to my home page. Let's say I want to print this one, welcome to my home page, in my front page, okay, of my web application. So for that, to print this one, for that we need to give the root for the page. Okay, what is the root of our page? I will tell you guys, and at the rate app dot root. Okay, then we will give the root like this. Okay, what will be the root of our home page? Now then we have to save this file. We will press Ctrl S, then right click, then run. This is YouTube is my this Python file. Okay, once I will click over here, in this run command, I am getting this HTTP file. Okay, HTTP file. This is my website. You can say that this is a URL. Okay, once I will hit over here, I am getting this page, that is welcome to my home page. Okay, if you want to display some more things, you can go there, you can change here as well. Okay, if you want to write here, that is home page, Ctrl S, right click, then run YouTube. You will get this URL. You will just hit over here, you will get here home page. This is our home page that we have created in this Flask data frame. Okay, so this is the Flask we have imported. This is the instance of our web page. Then this is the run command that we need to give to run this code. Okay, then we have to define some page, that is first page is my home page, this one. So I will give this function name as home. Then I want to return on home page, like this is the home page. So for that we need to give the root. Okay, so for that I have given the root over here. if you want to change the root, let's say login, just control S, right click, run YouTube. You will get this URL. You just hit over here, you will get not found, because I have given the command that is /login. So I need to put login over here, then press enter. You will get this home page. So if you want to change your path, that is root, you can change that as well. I want to put like this, so I will control S, right click, run YouTube. You will get this URL. You just hit over here, you will get this home page. Okay, like this we can make our home page. Okay, now one more thing in this app.run, inside this I want to put this debug equals to true. What is this? What is this debug equals to true? I will explain to you guys. See, if you without this one, I will put login over here. I will save this file, control S. If I will go directly to this URL, I am getting this home page without the login function. If I will put login over here, I am getting not found, because I never have run this YouTube. Okay, without run YouTube, debug automatic, it will reload that page. Just control S. First of all, you need to run this URL, run this code. You will get this URL. You just hit over here, you will get not found, because our this one is in login page. If you change this one now if you change this one into the / only, you just control save, then go to your URL. It will come that one. It will automatic reload that page. This debug equals to true. This debug equals to true. It will automatically reload your page. Now if you want to change into login, you just control save this one, just hit this URL. Okay, you need to put login over here, then you will get that page. Without debug, you will again and again you need to run this code without debug. And with debug, you just need to save this file, then just hit over here your URL, then you will get that page. Okay guys, hope this will make sense. In the next tutorial, we will check how HTML file we will put in this our home page, our home web application page. Okay, so thank you guys.